Natural remedies for warts. Have you just recently noticed a wart on your skin? If you have, you may be interested in removing it. Warts can sometimes be painful, as well as unattractive. When it comes to wart removal, many individuals are pleased with all of the options they have. As previously stated, those looking to have a wart removed have a number of different options. Two popular options involve visiting a medical provider for a professional removal and purchasing an over-the-counter wart removal product. Of course, these approaches will work, but you may be looking for home remedy or a natural remedy. If you are looking for natural ways to remove a wart and from the comfort of your own home, please continue reading on. Below a number of home remedies for warts are outlined. Castor oil can help with wart removal. Unfortunately, this method of treatment can take up to a month or more, but it is still considered an effective way to remove a wart. What you will want to do is apply a small amount of castor oil to your wart. When doing so, you have a couple of options. There are some individuals who recommend applying castor oil twice a day, but others claim that only applying castor oil at night can work just as well. Raw, uncooked potatoes can also provide assistance with the removal of a wart. What is nice about this natural remedy for wart removal is that many already have a bag full of potatoes in their homes. When using a potato, cut the potato in half or into a smaller portion. Next, rub the potato on the affected area. This step should be repeated multiple times a day, at least 2 or 3 times. Many individuals will see success in about 2 weeks worth of time. In addition to potatoes, onions can also be used. Cut an onion and rub it on a wart, just as you would with a potato. Using fresh pineapples is another natural and effective way to remove a wart. What is nice about this home remedy and natural remedy is that it often produces quick results. Some individuals may see their wart disappear in as few as 3 days. As for the steps that you must take, cut a fresh pineapple and apply a piece to the wart, doing so multiple times a day. As previously stated, your wart may disappear in as little as 3 days. Grapefruit juice is another natural way to remove a wart with the use of food. When using a grapefruit to remove your wart, cut a grapefruit in half and squeeze the juice out. Apply a relatively small amount of grapefruit juice to the wart. This should be done multiple times a day, particularly 2 to 4 times a day. The area should then be covered with a bandage. Results will vary, but your wart should be removed in around a week or 2. In keeping with food, bananas peels can also be used. When using this natural remedy for warts, peel the banana and take a piece of the peel and place it on the wart. You may want to use tape or a bandage to help it stick. Make sure that the yellow side of the peel is facing the wart. One banana peel should last for about 12 hours worth of time. It is best to do this overnight and nightly for about 1 or 2 weeks or at least until the wart is gone. Dandelion milk is another natural way to remove a wart. When using this approach, cut the stem of a dandelion and squeeze the milk out. Apply the milk to the wart. This should be done multiple times a day, namely around 2 or 3 times. For added convenience, cut a number of dandelions and squeeze the milk all at once. You can then store it in a small container. When doing so, make sure that the container is covered to prevent the dandelion milk from drying out.